Still your background verification failed, there is no need to update your Naukri, because background verification will not be done based on your skill. We know background verification will be done some checklist, your address verification, past service history, and criminal check, civil check. Okay, apart from that they will not do skill verification. So background verification will not be done based on your skill. So there is no way to delete your service history also. So don't try to upgrade your Naukri profile, don't try to update your Naukri profile, because there is no use, because people are will not do based on your Naukri, right? Worst case, small companies they will verify your Naukri. Sometimes they will check if you create multiple Naukri profile, they will suspect something. Okay, small companies they are trying to verify your documents in Naukri also. However, the standard checklist will be five that we know: address verification, past service history, civil check, and then criminal check, and then your educational verification. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here, nowadays there is no way to delete your PF account. So even though if you update your Naukri, definitely you will get the call, but you will waste your potential, you will attend the interview, you will waste your time, but end of the day it will not give proper result. There is no way to join in the new companies. Okay, they will reject your profile, completely waste of time only. Okay, think about it. If you struggle anywhere, you can welcome to approach to me, and I will try to give the proper justification and solution to you. Okay, thank you so much, have a wonderful day, take care, bye bye.